Power radionics is certainly the most important technological advantage of the decade for self-help, for mind control, and for powerful work for change. This extraordinary new technology is designed to help you achieve positive, permanent change. The new Chi generator, the generator of life energy, is a key component of this amazing new power radionics technology. It is its source of power in the success equipment which we are offering. And you can use this equipment to help yourself achieve permanent solutions of your most pressing challenges. It is exciting new technology, yours to use, to gain a significant advantage in your personal matters, in business dealings, in prosperity, sports aspirations, relationships, and sex. With this new life energy technology, you can now take your destiny into the best possible hands, which are your own. By now, reaching your goals is closer than ever before. This is so because life energy is the driving force or source of power of practically all so-called paranormal phenomena, action at a distance, telepathy, ESP, hypnosis, martial art, shamanic practices, and of course radionics. In fact, in the light of the new life energy technology, something amazing happened. That which was regarded in the past as being paranormal, alternative, and so on, appears now as something entirely normal and scientific. All these phenomena are now easily to explain as parts of a technology which uses life energy. And above all, it is easy. The practical harnessing of power radionics for your overall success is extremely easy. It is the same process which happens when gifted human beings use their innate powers for action at a distance, which much of the times are referred to as psychic powers, or when they generate life energy by some other means. There is a difference, however. With power radionics, even an untrained person can get now the same results that otherwise only highly trained psychic shamans, priests, magicians and whatnot can get. In fact, the Chi generator inside this power radionics device generates life energy continuously. And for this reason, an untrained person who uses this extraordinary new technology can now have a decisive edge over the well-trained professional who does not own and operate this technology. The claim that a lot of, call it spiritual training, would be needed to operate any kind of psychotronic or any other radionics device is certainly a thing of the past. It's a cheap cop-out of people who are peddling less than adequate and usually antiquated equipment. It's quite convenient to sell a time machine or an Aladdin's lamp or wish box, perhaps a flying carpet, claiming that the buyer has to evolve spiritually before he or she can use it. In fact, my technology requires not more training than what it takes to drive a car. Quite possibly much less. And when you decide to use power radionics to help you achieve a better life, you need no involved training, no creative visualization, no pep talk to yourself, no hypnosis done by some professional, and no motivational seminars. All it takes to succeed is the capability to set up the device to turn a dial, and the willingness and the open mind to utilize new technology in your aspirations to improve your life. The universal manual, which you will receive with your equipment, has easy to follow step-by-step instructions which will lead you from very simple applications to increasingly complex uses of this extraordinary equipment. And also look for online broadcasts, mini-seminars, they are free, on tvopk.com. I say, it's fun, it's exciting, and you certainly can be laid back and relax while you await assured success. With simple attachments to your Power Radionics device, such as the various filter packs, the Alphabet of Success, Sex Pack, Stress Stepper Pack, and others, and especially with the manifestation programs, you can now structure your trend, link, and target links even further and more precisely for any purpose you desire. The Power Radionics device will then project this structured life energy to any target of your choosing, and it can do so continuously. That's why Power Radionics is the ideal technology to help you increase your personal energy, your power, your prosperity, your performance, and your success. Power Radionics, when used properly, can be your powerful weapon that you can aim at any person of your choosing without them having the slightest idea of why they act in some specific way, which can be precisely the way you want it to happen. Therefore, your Power Radionics device can be your decisive tool to help you make all your dreams come true. It is a power generator and a creator of favorable trends in one. Most importantly, it works at any distance. You can have this experience when you perform the free transfer test. And you can continue now either by learning about the specifics of Power Radionics and what Power Radionics can do for you, or by first studying the scientific side of this exciting new technology. Simply click on the links of your choice for more information. Naturally, there are infinitely many more uses than the ones which you can explore on the websites and on the DVDs and live broadcasts, many of which you certainly will find and explore in the future. Remember again, I'm stressing this again, this technology has not been designed at all for any applications relating to medical methods as practiced on humans. I have never promoted it for such, and I'm never going to do so. The many applications of this great technology of which you are going to learn are based on personal experiences of many proud owners of Chi generators, Power Radionics devices, and Power Radionics programs.